Did you know that VidIQ's YouTube channel has over 2 million subscribers, yet all their videos average around 50K views? That's because YouTube doesn't favor subscribers, it favors views. And if you're waiting for the YouTube Partner Program to make money, you're doing it all wrong. Hey guys, I'm the Money Dad, and I help solo entrepreneurs and small creators build online businesses that work for them even while they sleep. Make sure you watch this video until the end because we're going to discuss why you need digital products, how you can use VidIQ to boost your reach, and how to turn your viewers into buyers. Let's get started. Digital products are a great way for solo entrepreneurs to monetize without needing a massive following. This is important because you don't just gain a large subscriber base overnight. It takes time to build up your subs and watch hours so that you can be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. There are endless ways you can create digital products that offer value to your viewers and keep them coming back for more. Whether it's an SEO toolkit, a checklist, templates, guides, you name it. These products are valuable because they lead to more views and buyers. If you set up these digital products properly and link them in your videos, they can help you to generate passive income. I have several YouTube channels, all of which have made me money and continue to do so today. I first created an account for my music interests, and what I would do is I would create musical arrangements of popular music, and then I would get them published online. After that, I would create videos of myself playing those arrangements, and then I would just put the link in the description so people could buy them. I didn't need thousands of subscribers to make my first sale. I just needed the right audience. So I know what you might be wondering. How do I build a digital product? If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on building digital products, drop the word digital in the comments. Now that we know why digital products are essential, let's talk about how you can get discovered on YouTube and reach more people. So you can use a tool called VidIQ, which helps you to optimize your videos and get discovered. It focuses on keyword research, SEO, video optimization, which helps you increase your channel's visibility. You can use VidIQ's keyword research tool to find high traffic keywords related to your niche, which can help your videos rank higher in the algorithm. You want to make sure that your keywords have high volume and low competition so that it's easier to get ranked. With VidIQ, it can help you optimize your tags, your titles, your descriptions, which all directly influence your video's ability to get discovered and get maximum reach. Now, this is great because it can help you stand out even if you're still building your subscriber base like me. Now that your video is optimized and reaching more people, let's talk about how we can turn those viewers into buyers. You want to make sure you have clear CTAs, which stands for calls to action, like download my free SEO checklist below or check out my full SEO toolkit in the description. By offering value through the products or resources, you start to build trust with your viewers and you encourage them to return. You can also create playlists and link related videos, which can help keep viewers on your channel longer. This increases the likelihood of them subscribing and checking out your paid offers. And viewers who trust you are more likely to buy your products, especially if you demonstrate the value through your content. So by offering digital products in your videos, you can easily turn viewers into buyers. It's quite possible to make a living from YouTube content without being a part of the YouTube Partner Program. You just need to create digital products, do keyword research with tools like VidIQ, and make sure you have strong CTAs in your videos. Now look, if you're feeling stuck and overwhelmed by content creation, I feel you. When you have to do everything by yourself, it can be tough to stay consistent. That's why you need to watch this video, and in just 10 minutes, you'll have a roadmap for stress-free content creation. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.